Okay, today we're going to show you how to factory reset your TCL TV. Since you're watching this video, you're probably having a problem with your TCL TV and you want to reset it to get it working again. Okay, let's get started and show you the easiest way to do this reset. I want you to look around your TV and see if you can find this little hole. It's usually labeled reset. You'll usually find this hole either on the back or the top or the sides of the set. Now on some TCL models, this is a button on there, so it's actually real easy to push, and I'll show you how to do that. But on some, it's an actual hole. And if it is a hole on your TV set, I recommend doing the following. To do the reset, I usually recommend bending a paper clip to fit in the reset hole. Push the button down for about 15 seconds until you see the TV restart.